Do you know who I am?
How can you know if there is no clue at all?
Ha ha ha. Right. Try to guess my name.
Okay, yesterday I guessed right. Now I'll definitely do it again.
Just try. It won't be easy this time. About 75% of our country is covered by mountains.
Your country must be really beautiful. Try giving another clue.
We don't have an Independence Day. Our country has never been colonized by a foreign power.
Which continent is your country on? Asia, Europe, Africa, or something else?
Our country is on the Asian continent and has the nickname of the land of 1,000 temples.
Wait a minute, let me guess. It must be India, right?
No, we are not India. One more clue. You know the legend of the Yeti? It comes from my country.
What else is it? Try to help me, friends, to guess the name of this country.
I told you this time. It will not be easy. Ha ha ha.